What's up, YouTube? What's going on? I hope you guys are having a great holiday season. As you can see, I've got my tree up. Today we are going to be broiling a steak. Now, before you get excited, I already marinated it yesterday. It's been in the fridge for over 24 hours. I've also got some teriyaki chicken in there that I'm going to be making. And hopefully I'll scrunch these videos together into one and upload them at the same time. Okay, so this is my my steak situation, and I just used a random I put some of this on the bottom of the pan, so I just used a random recipe from one of the websites, the recipe websites. I'm sure that you guys use, many a times in the past. It's just your random website, and I keyed in how to marinate a steak. So those are my dogs. So the steak is marinated with teriyaki. Is it teriyaki? No, Worcestershire sauce. So that would be like a quarter cup of Worcestershire sauce, half a cup of olive oil. I used a third of a cup of soy sauce. So just the traditional Kikkoman, right? So I'll show it to you. I buy it in bulk. And it also included a tablespoon and a half each of parsley, basil, garlic powder, and lime juice. I didn't use lime juice, but I didn't use white pepper, but I did use a combination of pepper, lemon. So I'm sure that it won't be a big deal. And so anyway, that's what it looks like right now. Let me bring you closer. Right? That's what it looks like right now. We're waiting on the broiler to pop. In other words, so that we can stick it into the oven. So I know it looks a little bit weird right now, but I'll show it to you when I cut it into strips. So that's it for right now. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, this is a lifestyle vlog about me and my life at home. And I'm just your regular housewife, not the millionaire kind. Although I wouldn't mind. Knock on wood, right? Okay, so I plan to make some Spanish rice with that. Probably open up a can of beans for myself because I don't actually practice making pots of beans. I just open up a can. But you guys do you, and have a great weekend, and come back and see me again. Thanks for watching. What's up, YouTube? So while the steak is in the oven, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all my new subscribers for coming back and just, hanging tough with me. It's been raining a lot for the last couple of days. So my husband and I have been kind of just hanging out in our rooms and, watching a lot of TV. I'm watching this really cool Prime Video channel series called Solos. Comment if you've seen the program. It's really, really, really nifty for me. Yeah, it's like about well, it's a really interesting series, and I'm going to have to see how I can actually review it for you. But that's about it. I hope you guys are having a great holiday season. Me and my dogs think that it's wonderful that you guys are tuning in. And I will strive to make, the best content that I can. Happy Vlogmas. I still have not, actually, I still don't know, streaks, how the Vlogmas work. But from what I gather, it looks like the YouTubers all take their turns on TV to report on their everyday activities, and I think that's really cool. I'm a journalist, so I write a lot, and so I've done quite a bit of journals throughout my life that had to do with different periods of my life, and so I've been watching a lot of the vlogmas of the YouTubers from past years, and I'm getting to know a lot of them, and so I really appreciate just being able to look back. So a special shout out to all you families who have been keeping it real and keeping us all informed. A lot of the times, people like us who don't have little ones or great, grandchildren, little ones that are we don't, it's rare that we hear pitter patter on the floor. Let's just say that. So living vicariously through you guys is really something special, and I really, really value it. So shout out to all the family YouTube channels, and happy Vlogmas. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, and be careful out there. Tune in, like and subscribe. Thank you.